The Parrot's Training, a story originally written by Rabindranath Tagore. Once upon a time, there lived a parrot. It was ignorant. It sang all right, but could not read from scriptures. It flew and hopped, but it lacked manners. Raja once saw this, and he said to himself, "Ignorance is costly in the long run, so this parrot must be given sound education." He called his nephews and told them the bird must be given a sound schooling. The nephews called Pandits. They decided that ignorance of that bird was due to its poor nests they lived in. Therefore, according to the Pandits, the first thing necessary for this bird's education was a suitable cage. The Pandits were rewarded for their expert opinion. A golden cage was built with gorgeous decoration. Crowds came to see from all parts of the world, but people had different opinions. However, the goldsmith filled his bag with money and went home. After all this was done, the Pandits sat down to educate the bird. They said, "No books are enough for us." The king's nephews brought plenty of books. The height of books reached the sky. These efforts were seen as progress by the people, but some fault finders said, "The focus is always there on the decorative cage, but the bird is neglected." The king heard these comments. He asked his nephews about it, but they said, "People who have nothing to do spread such news." Raja was pleased. However, the king one day went to the school. He saw Pandits chanting mantras with their topmost voices. Nephews looked at the king and said, "Sir, what do you think of it?" Raja said he was mighty pleased. The king was about to remount his elephant. The fault finder from behind said loudly, "Maharaja, have you seen the bird?" "Indeed, I have not seen," exclaimed the king. Therefore, he turned back and asked the Pandits about the method they followed in teaching the bird. It was shown to the king. He was greatly impressed. But the bird continued to suffer in the cage. When the morning light peeped into the cage, it sometime fluttered its wings. Kotwal, who was a guard, did not like it. Soon, iron chain was made, and bird's wings were clipped. With the textbook in one hand and the stick on the other, the Pandits gave the poor bird what may be called lessons. Kotwal was honored with a title for his watchfulness, and the blacksmith for making chains. The bird died. Nobody had the least guess how long ago this had happened. The fault finder was the first man to spread the rumor. The Raja called his nephews and asked them, "My dear nephews, what is this that we hear?" The nephews said, "Sir, the bird's education has been completed." "Does it hop?" the Raja asked. "Never," said the nephews. "Does it fly?" No. Bring me the bird, said the Raja. The bird was brought to him. It was guarded by the Kotwal and Sipais. Raja poked its body with his finger. Only its inner stuffing of book leaves rustled. Outside the window, the murmur of the springing breeze amongst the newly budded asoka leaves made the April morning wistful, very sad. This is the story of the parrot and its training. The story is written in 1918 by Rabindranath Tagore. If we compare this story to the education system that we have today, we will find a great genius, a visionary in Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you for listening.